If you're keeping up with YouTube creators pulling in millions of views, you've probably noticed something. They're not just sticking to one language. And no, I'm not talking about auto-generated subtitles. I mean full-on dubbed content, tailored for global audiences. These days, if you're serious about growing your reach, multilingual videos aren't just nice to have, they are essential. My name is Daniel, and in today's video, we will take a look at RecCloud AI, a platform that can translate video content into different languages in just seconds. We'll upload the test clip and see how well the tool handles the task. We'll also generate subtitles automatically. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Ready to step into a world without language barriers? Then let's go! What is RecCloud AI? Okay, my friends, so what is RecCloud exactly? This is an AI-powered multimedia platform offering tools for video and audio processing. From AI-generated subtitles and speech-to-text conversion, to text-to-speech synthesis, vocal removal, and even video generation. If you're looking for an easy way to create and manage your content, you may fully rely on RecCloud. With built-in tools like screen recording, trimming, and merging, it's designed to make content creation super simple. Whether you're an influencer, educator, or business pro, RecCloud takes the headache out of multimedia workflows and helps you boost engagement across all your platforms. Simple, powerful, and ready to go. Platform overview. Today, guys, I want to walk you through one specific feature of RecCloud, the AI Video Translator. We're on the tool's main page, where you can see its core features. For example, it supports video translation in over 70 languages. You can also add subtitles in any language, and if needed, fine-tune them manually to adjust the details. To get started, click Get Started Free. And on the next page, click Sign Up or Login. You can register via email, Google, or Facebook. I prefer Google. Just enter your credentials and move on. Now you'll notice the Sign Up icon in the top right is gone. That means we are logged in. Here are the main services: video translation, which includes both dubbing and subtitles, subtitle translation, for subtitles only, and transcription translation. We'll go with the dubbing plus subtitles option. Let's click in. Inside the tool, you can upload your video by clicking the folder icon, or simply dragging and dropping it into the box. On the free plan, you can translate up to 5 minutes of video with a file size limit of 4 GB. Supported formats are listed on the screen. I've prepared a short video in English, so I'll translate it into French. Here you can choose a voice, for example, Mary. There are other options too, but for this test we'll stick with Mary. The process uses 8 credits. I'll click the folder icon to upload my file. The video with the AI avatar is now uploaded. Let's preview it.
Hello, my name is Annie. I'd like to introduce you to RecCloud's AI-powered video translation feature.
Now click Translate to begin. It takes a moment to process, but once it's done, you'll get both a new audio track and French subtitles. And here's the result. The subtitles appear on screen, and yes, you can manually edit them.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Annie. Je voudrais vous présenter la fonctionnalité de traduction vidéo alimentée par l'IA de RecCloud.
She's now speaking in French, and her lip movements are synced. If you want to slow her down, just set the speed to 0.75. That way she speaks more clearly, making it easier to follow along. And here's the best part. Even on the free plan, you can export the video. Choose whether to include subtitles only or dubbing as well. Click Export and the file starts downloading. Wow, that was surprisingly easy. Unlike many other platforms, RecCloud offers solid capabilities, even on the free plan. And let's not forget, it's fast, making it a real time saver for anyone who produces a lot of video content. Pricing. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. So what about pricing? RecCloud offers a free trial, so you can test drive its AI-powered video translation tools before spending a dime. It's the perfect way to get a feel for the platform, see how the features work, and decide if it's the right fit for your workflow. Once your free trial wraps up, the platform gives you a bunch of flexible subscription options to choose from. So whether you are a casual creator or an owner of a content studio, there is something that fits just right. Each plan comes with its own set of credits, plus built-in cloud storage to keep your video projects organized. Is RecCloud AI worth it? So, my friends, is it worth trying RecCloud's AI video translation feature? Let's break it down. What are the advantages of this tool? First of all, it lets you translate videos from one language to another in just a couple of minutes. Plus, it supports over 70 languages, meaning you can reach almost the entire world with your content if you want to. Second, RecCloud is a multifunctional platform designed for working with both video and audio. And it's surprisingly affordable. Even the premium plans only cost a few $dozen, which is a great deal if you are creating videos regularly. Personally, I really enjoyed using RecCloud, and I'm seriously considering making it one of my go-to tools for video production. As for you, my friends, the choice depends on whether you're looking to grow your media channels and expand your reach. If the answer is yes, go ahead and try your free trial. Something tells me you won't want to stop. Alright, my friends, and that's all about my RecCloud review. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time!